Why do we need to avoid comparing ourselves with others? Very important question yan. Kasi once you start comparing, then you start to be unhappy. Kasi bakit? Ang tao laging kino-compare yung wala sa kanila eh. So pag hinanap mo sa sarili mo yung wala sa'yo at meron sa iba, never kang magiging masaya. Lagi mo dapat gawin is rather than comparing yourself to the other person, you should compare yourself to who you were in the past. So kung mas maganda na yung kalagayan mo ngayon compared sa nakaraang ikaw, go, keep it up. Good job. Ngayon, if you're in a much worse situation, at least you know that you have to improve. Na hindi ka madidepress, hindi sa sama loob mo, but rather, gaganahan ka lang to work on yourself, to improve your standing. So never ever compare yourself to others kasi never ka magiging masaya. Yan ang dapat nating bitawan, di ba? Bilang tao. But rather, compare ourselves to our previous self para alam natin on how to improve. And sometimes, we also know on how to be thankful because ma-realize natin, ang layo na pala naabot natin kumpara dun sa lumang tayo.